Okay, so let's see. They want you to find the slope. They want the y-intercept. And they want the equation. Okay. So I think it's easiest to find the start first, which is right here, which is 4, or 0, 4. Okay? So that means I know that that's 0, 4, and I can use both of those to find the slope. So 0, 4, 5, 14. So plus 10 plus 5, y is on top, 2. So now I can do the equation. Y equals 2x plus 4. Let's do the next one. Okay, this one is a little bit more difficult because that's 100, that's 150. That'd be 160, 170. Or 0, 170. So then I'm going to take, I can use these 2 points, or I can use this point. I'll use these two. 2, 150. 4, 130.
At this time, please make your way to your aptitude programs for our activity.
Minus 20.
To the main gate. Be responsible
Plus
for your
2.
schedule and be brave.
Negative 20 over 2 is negative 10. All right, got both of them. Y equals negative 10 x plus 170. All right, let's go to the next one. Well, it starts right here at 0. That's 0, or 0, 0. I have 2 points. 488, 244. So I have minus 44 minus 2, negative 44 divided by negative 2 is positive 22. I can do my equation now. Y equals 22 x plus 0, or I can just write y equals 22x. Okay? They want you to find the slope. So let me zoom in. So this is 1, and this is 3. 1 over 3. Done. Sorry, that's too big. Let's do the next one. This is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 over 4. All done. Let's see. Crisscross. 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 1, 2, 3. Did that right? Yeah. But it's negative, so negative 3. 1, 2. Negative 3 over 2. Sorry about that. I did it again. And this one, well, it's just straight across, so it's 0. All right, find 4 equivalent fractions. So times 2 times 2, 6/10. I could do now times 3 times 3, 9/15. And I can do times 4 times 4, 12 over 20. Oh, and then times 5 times 5, 15 over 25. Okay, I could actually divide this one by 5 and get 2/3. And now I can go, so that's one of them, times 2, times 2, times 3, times 3, times 4, times 4. Okay, an equivalent, put it over 1. So 2 over 1 times 2 times 2, 4 over 2, 6 over 3, 8 over 4. Okay, comma, comma, comma. I could divide this by 4, negative 1/2. And I can go times 2 times 2, negative 2/4. Times 3 times 3, times 4 times 4. Okay. Now they want no steep to very steep. Okay. 1, 2. Just slice 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But I can see it's half of them. And then 3 over 1, 1, 2, So this is the smallest, then 4/8, then 2, then 3/1. I don't know if you noticed, but 4/8 is really 1/2, and 3/1 is just 3. Let's go to the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3/6 is like 1/2. So I just do 1/2. This one's 1/4. And this one's 3/5. Okay, so the smallest is 1/4, then 3/5. Wait, no, sorry, then 3/6, then 3/5, and then -4. Let's go to the next page. This is review, so let's zoom it out. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 7, 9, so 1, 5, 2, 7, 3, 9. Now I know the pattern, plus 2, 11, 13. So what plus 2 equals 5? 3, boom, there's my blue. Figure, tile, y equals 2x plus 3. Okay. All right, let's see. Frank got a 1 meter head start. My y-intercepts are blue. And 5 meters every 2 seconds. So y equals 5/2x plus 1. Miriam ran 8 meters. 8 meters, and at 4 seconds she ran. I think something happened. That's messed up. So I don't know, something happened here. So that one's gone. Jose began at the start. And he ran 3 meters every. Y equals 3x. Okay? So Frank, start at 1. Then I go up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right 2. 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 So I go like that. And I write F for Frank. And now I start at 0. And I go up 1, 2, 3, right 1. Right 1, 1, 2, 3, 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 right 1. And that is Jose. Let's turn the page. This, they want the slope. They want the slope. Okay. Here, they want the slope again. And by the way, this is homework. This is homework. For this one, what they want you to do is they want you to take that -3 and plug in, plug in, plug in, plug in. Okay? That is homework. And that is it. Stop there.